Enjoy that commercial? I thought so. Well, it's been fun.
Yeah.
You're not so different like your sister is.
She wants me.
Hey, do you have a boyfriend?
No.
What's so funny about boys? Do you think they have cooties? Girls have cooties.
What a cootie.
Yeah. Girls have them. Gross.
I pooped in the toilet.
I didn't ask for that. What did I say? What did I tell you cooties meant? What does cooties mean? I didn't tell you that. Okay, will you poop in the toilet? Cool, I never thought that you would say such a thing, but okay.
Poop in my diaper.
Your diapers?
Yeah?
I pooped in a big bowl of macaroni and cheese. No, that's topic. Okay. Topic is supposed to be. What do your grandma's toes look like?
Feet.
What do? Okay, well, kind of hard to say this to a 3-year-old, but what do they look like?
Feet.
What do they smell like?
Feet.
What do feet smell like?
Feet.
What do feet smell like? Feet. What? Anyways. See, my grandma won't let me plug it in. It's too loud. Because I'm loud enough, I guess. You're not wearing socks.
I know.
You have small toes.
Yeah. Look, I got things.
They stink.
I told you.
You told me how your feet stink.
Oh, help it.
Oh, Melina.
Help it.
Our database has been updated. Okay, so, that's enough for today, I guess. This chick is totally on to me. Gotta go, bye!